name is Jay, and I'm a junior, and I'm a research assistant at Denver University. I'm interested in botany, horticulture, and they've developed over my 3 years here because I eventually discovered that I'm not really interested in botany because I don't like field work. So I'm more horticulture now. Those interests led me here. I met my mentor at the Tropical Plant Society meeting, and over a year I talked to him, and that's how I'm here. Okay, this is one of the things that I do at my internship. Right now I'm working on, well, the project I'm doing involves finding out what tree kangaroos eat based on the stomates found in their poo. Every leaf has a stomate pattern similar to like how humans have fingerprints, and it's specific to that one species. And right now what I'm doing is I have a stock collection of leaves from Australia, and right now I'm getting stomate samples are the project I'm doing. The title of my project is Determining the Diet of Tree Kangaroos Based on Fecal Samples. The main project is going to be a poster presentation, possibly with an oral presentation. We're not sure yet. We're determining like potential audiences and stuff right now. My project could be presented at an undergraduate research symposium. It's going to be in May. And then my other evidence will be my project proposal, my research paper, my 3 slides to illustrate the mastery of the mounting technique that I'm working on. 15 slides from New Guinea. That's just this quarter because I have like 98 that I need to do before I can even start working with the fecal samples. Group them based on physical characteristics by sometime in the 2nd trimester. Working with a computer program we have here called Lucid for keying them out, so I don't have to go over 98 species to determine which one a certain cuticle looks similar to. Have a research outline done, write a research write-up, do a poster in PowerPoint for the 3rd trimester, and present at the symposium in May. Then learning objectives are, I'm working on identifying anatomical structures and cuticles, biology of tree kangaroos, and being able to recognize the vegetation of the New Guinea Islands. Skills and habits that I'm going to develop from this are research paper writing, reading nonfiction, operating microscope, using a digital camera, using PowerPoint, time management and organization, work on responsibility and communication, and communicating my needs when I need help. Framing questions: what are Apache's tree kangaroos eating in the rainforest in New Guinea? What modifications are necessary to the standard technique of cuticle preparation? Right now the mixture is about half water, 1/3 peroxide, and like with some alcohol to help cook the leaf. And right now, and that can be modified based on how thick the cuticle is and whatnot. My resources are going to be my mentor, Peter, the book Tree Kangaroos, the Anatomy of Dicots, the reference collection at DU, the program Lucid, PowerPoint, and Adobe Photoshop. This project is authentic because it's dealing with conservation and it's helping my mentor finish a project that he undertook. And this is active learning because this is original research and I'm preparing the slides I'm doing. This is academically rigorous because I'm doing a ton of reading, doing college level research. I'm learning like real life application of time management because like this isn't just something I'm doing like just to do it. I have deadlines and dates of stuff that needs to be done, and I'm learning how to use laboratory equipment like high-powered microscopes and stuff of that nature. So, like, as far as learning the basics of biology are concerned, I read, and Peter will come and describe structures to me. Like when I'm doing like microscope work, he'll be like, "Oh yeah, that's a guard cell. That's a stomate. This is characteristic of X leaf because X leaf lives in a rainforest, so it has less stomates." Dr. Christoffel, we don't work a lot together, but like he stops in and examines what I've done and tells me what I need to do better and whatnot. And then Peter works a lot with me, and like whenever I have a question, I go to him, or whenever I need a slide looked at, I go to him. Assessment, when we like assessed at the end of the year based on the quality of the slides that I produce, my poster, my ability to discuss the poster. Like here, I'm held to a professional standard. More so than I imagine I would be in a high school biology lab or whatnot. Because there, I mean, like if you F up, then you're gonna get like a C or a D or something like that. It's gonna be reflected in your grade. But like like here, failure isn't really an option. Like, because not only am I working on like graduate level work, I mean, there are limited quantities of the leaves that I have to do, that I can work with. So, like for example, if I screw up a particular leaf, I mean, that's it. I mean, there's nothing I can really do about it. And also, the reference slides I create aren't just for me. They're going to be used for those who come after me, so they need to be pretty well done.